Hello students, good morning. Hope you and your family are fine and safe at home. I am your Shantri ma'am and I will be teaching class 4 social studies. Today we will do a revision of the chapter 5, that is motions of the earth. This chapter is in your unit test. Now let us start with the chapter. But before starting with the chapter, let me tell you that today's video is connected to the lesson plan of 19th of August, which you will be able to view on the video gallery of the school website. Now turn to page number 36, motions of the earth. There are two motions of the earth. One is rotation and another is revolution. We will study what is rotation. Rotation is the turning around of the earth on its own axis. It is the spinning or the turning around of the earth on its own axis from west to east. It takes 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Now, as we know that the earth axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees from the vertical. And this tilting of the earth's axis is known as the inclination of the earth's axis. Now we will study about the effects of rotation. What is the effects of rotation? The effects of rotation is that it causes day and night. We all know that the earth is spherical in shape. The spherical shape of the earth results in only half of the earth facing the sun and getting sunlight, while the other half is in darkness. Now look at this diagram. This is the sun. The rays of the sun is falling. Now this part of the earth receives the direct rays of the sun. As a result, it has day. And this part of the earth does not receive the rays of the sun and has night. So the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now next we come to revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. It is the movement of the earth around the sun that is called revolution. This revolution takes 365 and 1/4 days. It takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution of the earth around the sun. Now, a year has 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 45 seconds long. This is approximately 365 and 1/4 days. Now, this 1/4 day is added every 4 years to the month of February as one day, and the year becomes 366 days long. After every 4 years, the year having 366 days and February having 29 days is known as a leap year. This leap year happens after every 4 years. Now we will talk about the effects of revolution. The effects of revolution is that it causes different seasons. Now, the equator is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary horizontal line at 0 degree latitude. It cuts the earth into two equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. How it causes different seasons, we will know in this diagram. In this diagram, you can see this is the position of the sun and these are the positions of the earth. As we know that in a year, there are 4 different seasons, mainly 4 different seasons. That is spring, autumn, summer and winter. Now, the earth, the part of the earth, when it faces the sun, it receives the direct rays of the sun. As a result, that part of the earth gets heat and sunlight. And so, we have summer in that place. The part of the earth that is away from the sun does not receive the direct rays of the sun. As a result, there is less heat and sunlight over here. So, there is winter in that place. In this way, the 4 seasons are caused by the revolution of the earth around the sun. So today we have learned the two motions of the earth, rotation and revolution. How rotation is caused? Rotation is caused by turning around of the earth around its axis from west to east, and it takes 24 hours. The earth's axis, as we know, is tilted at 23.5 degrees, and this tilting of the earth's axis is known as inclination of the earth's axis. The effects of rotation is that it causes day and nights. These day and night is caused by the rotation of the earth. Now, the part of the earth that faces the sun will get direct rays of the sun. As a result, that part has day, and the part of the earth that is away from the sun does not get the direct rays of the sun and has night. Next, we have learned about revolution. Revolution means movement of the earth around the sun. It takes 365 and 1/4 days. These 1/4 day is added after every 4 years to the month of February, and the February becomes 29 days, and the year has then 366 days long. Then the year with 366 days long and February having 29 days is known as a leap year. It happens after every 4 years. The effects of revolution is that it causes different seasons. In a year, we know that there are 4 main seasons, that are summer, winter, spring and autumn, and the part of the earth that faces the sun will get direct rays of the sun and will get heat and sunlight. As a result, there is summer over there, and the part of the earth that is away from the sun will not get the direct rays of the sun. As a result, there is winter in that place. In this way, different seasons are caused by the revolution of the earth. So till here you will go through the chapter. I hope you have understood. Before doing the worksheet, go through the video of the chapter, and then do the worksheet in your SST2 exercise book. Till then, next day we will do the rest of the chapter, that is the solstice and the equinox. And but still then, stay safe and fine at home. Have use mask and hand sanitizer at home. Stay fit and healthy. Thank you and have a good day.